Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me for this look. Okay, so I'm going out with friends today, so I'm just gonna do like a little get ready with me type of video. But first I'm gonna apply a primer. I already put on sunscreen and all my other skincare earlier. I feel like these past couple weeks I've been actually hanging out with friends a lot lately, which is kind of rare. And now I'm gonna color correct any darkness or redness that I have. But yeah, because I think after I got a full-time job, I've been kind of struggling to balance like hanging out with friends, hobbies, and everything, just because I get home and I'm so tired, and even on the weekend where I'm obviously not working, I'm just so drained. I spend most of the time just like in bed, and there's so many like hobbies I want to have and things I want to do. Now I'm just gonna blend everything out with a small beauty blender. And like I find myself like beating myself up for not being able to do these things, but also I'm just like so tired. So now I'm just using a pot concealer to cover dark circles and any acne and all that. But yeah, I just thought I'd be living life so differently by now, and I'm just not. Like I literally struggle to go out and see my friends. Maybe this is normal as an adult, like seeing your friends less, but I just find that so sad. I've been trying to get into reading again lately. I feel like the last time I finished a book that was not like a requirement for school was like middle school. So I've picked up a couple of books, which I think the first couple ones are in my vlog. But I did decide to try to annotate like my books for fun. My best friend and I decided that we're gonna be annotating the books that we read and then sending it to each other, and then the other person reads it and also annotates it. Well, hopefully it gets us to read more. Okay, so I wanted to try the Haus Labs foundation. You get like a foundation sampler, like you pick your shade, like whether you're light, fair, medium, dark, tan and stuff, and they send you 3 in that range. It's $12, but it's free, and you only pay for shipping, which is like $5. You like scan the QR code and then buy the full size. If you don't end up buying a foundation, you just pay the $12, which I was like, you know what, if I don't buy it, it's just $12. I did swatch the 3 shades last night, and I think 175 is the closest. I'm just gonna use a spatula to apply it, and then a little sponge to blend it in. I feel like this is a good match. I feel like they give you like a really good amount of foundation too, so you can like try it for a couple days instead of it just being like enough to do one wear. I think it's a nice finish too. It's like a semi-matte finish. For my nose area, I apply it with my fingers and I blend it in like that. I just find that it just like sets into my skin better when I do this, and I get like less lifting in around the nose area. Now I'm just gonna contour my nose like usual. They're like doing construction in the plot area like across my house, my apartment, and it's so loud, and the building isn't like built at all. So I have the cream contour applied. I use a powder one. And then I just use like a lighter concealer to just lift the areas. Like that. I'm just gonna use a highlighter over the parts that I put concealer on. And then I'm just gonna contour the rest of my face. And then I'm going to go back in with a powder. Now that my base is done, I'm gonna do my eye makeup. I think I'm gonna do like a brown pink-ish look, applying my blush at the ends of my eyes. I forgot what I was talking about, so like if I was telling a story, that story's never gonna finish because I don't remember. Okay, now that I have that applied, I'm gonna apply a neutral color just all over the inner and center. Then I'm taking a brown color and just applying it in the corner, kind of like eyeliner. And then also under my eyes. I'm gonna do the same thing with a darker brown color, but with an angled brush, so that the darkness is a little more focused. And then taking a tiny brush, I'm going to draw my inner corners. I'm just gonna go and put the pink back in a little bit. And then I'm going to apply like a pink glitter and a neutral glitter. I like applying two glitters that have like two different sizes so that it's a nice mix, and I usually apply it only in the middle and then like the inner part. I'm gonna go in with a small brush again and shade my 𝗀𝐻𝐸𝐴. Then I'm taking the highlight again and I'm putting it in like my inner corner and like a tiny bit on my 𝗀𝐻𝐸𝐴. Then I'm going to apply the second chunky glitter on my 𝗀𝐻𝐸𝐴. For my eyeliner, I'm actually going to use a pencil liner. And I am just lifting the corners of my eyes. Now that I have my liner and the length of my eye makeup down, I'm going to draw my eyebrows. My eyebrows are like, oh my god. My eyebrows are like naturally kind of straight. I kind of want to round them a little bit, but it's like a struggle because they're just naturally so straight. Gonna use a mascara primer. Also, I went to Barnes & Noble's the other day, but I used to just like walk into the bookstore and like I would know how to pick out the books that I wanted to read, you know? And now I have to like rely on other people's opinions about a book. I don't know if it's because there was like no other choice than for me to just like read. My lighter is not lighting, so I'm gonna use a candle lighter. Not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of scared of my lighter. I feel like I'm just going in circles with my topics. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply individual lashes so that my eyes pop more. So if you guys have any book recommendations, please leave it in the comments because I apparently can't find books of my own anymore, so. Okay, now I'm going to apply blush. I'm going to apply it like right under my eye. Now I'm going to apply any leftover like foundation on my lips. And I'm just going to set that with a powder. And I'm also going to take the pencil liner that I was using for my eyeliner, and I'm going to lift the corners of my lips. So once I do that with the pencil liner, I'm going to use the thin brush and a brown eyeshadow. going to take a lip crayon and overline my lips. And then I'm going to blend it in with a brush. Honestly, after I saw 𝗀𝗀𝗰𝗶𝗹's video on the way that she does lips in the romance like product photos, like I haven't been able to stop. So I'm just going to fill it in with the color like 1/3 of the way. And then I'm going to take a tint and just apply it all over. Now I'm just gonna take a darker color and apply it at the center to give it a little more dimension. Then I'm applying a gloss on top. Okay, I decided that one is a little too like colored. Like I thought it wasn't gonna show up as much, but I'm actually gonna use this one. After all that, I just set my face